focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
Okay, hey y'all, so I've been driving and driving. I'm almost to my delivery and I stopped to get reefer fuel and I realized that I'm at the Flying J right across the street from the world's largest truck stop, which is a TA off of 80 in Iowa. So I was like, I've passed it a million times, but I've never been inside. So for our video, I'm gonna go inside. I'm gonna record what I see. I've heard there's some cool stuff in there. So we're gonna go in there, we're gonna see what they have, and I'll show you guys. Okay, I apologize. My window is...
When possible,
Head east toward 60th Avenue, North Plainview Road.
My windows
Turn left
are
on 60th
so dirty.
Avenue.
I'm so sorry, but it says, welcome to the Iowa 80 truck stop. This is cute.
My baby's always dancing, and I wanna be a bad thing, but I don't get no loving, and that's no lie. We spend the night in Frisco, and every kind of disco. From the night I kissed her love goodbye. Don't blame it on the sunshine, don't blame it on the moonlight. Don't blame it.
This just cracked me up. What is this? Enjoy soft, lush grass between your toes wherever you go. That is funny.
Don't blame it on the good times. Don't blame it on the sunshine. Don't blame it on the good times. Blame it on the boogie. 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 That night the boogie bugs me. Somehow it had dropped me. Spellbound.
Okay, so that was semi-exciting. Basically just a regular truck stop, but on steroids. You know, more Hollywooded up, more souvenirish, more expensive, more restaurants, and a lot of customizable stuff. They actually had a custom shop where you could just request stuff with your truck logo or whatever you wanted. Thank you guys so much for sticking with me. I hope I entertained you. I hope I gave you some good information, and I'll see you guys soon.